Traders, what's going on? It's Cleveland here with another Monday market breakdown. It's the second week of May. Mother's Day was yesterday. I hope everyone had a great Mother's Day, but now it's time to get back into these charts. All right, so we're going to start fresh with this Euro USD. If you want to know what I predicted last week, go check out the Monday market breakdown I posted. I'll put it in the comment section below. But I said that this Euro would push up into these low 16, high 1500 level here, and we will fall back down on the structure, right? So that's the GBP. So yeah, we will fall right back down on the structure, and that's exactly what happened. All right, so now we're basically just seeing what this thing is going to align and see what it's going to do for this upcoming week, and I'm still predicting a sell-off for this euro. All right, I want to see it break this level here that we're resting at, and it's resting at the level because we are at major structure, and it is that 1400 level that was just that we played with that level all last year in the 15s, right? So boom, 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 right? So this is a very, very heavy level, lots of consolidation. So we could definitely still see that consolidation if there's not a lot of volatility in the markets. Notice, guys, these charts can get stuck up here. You know, we may have instances like this, and we may have instances where just pings are all around. You know, so we just want to look out for that. So if we start to consolidate around this level, don't be surprised. Do not be surprised, right? And obviously, we don't make a lot of money in consolidation as swing traders. You want to probably switch over into a day trading methodology, but even still, as a day trader, consolidation is awful. You don't want that market, all right? So we just have to see what the market's going to give us and just hope that the summertime momentum doesn't kick in until later on this month or later on until next month, and then we'll be good to go. All right, so I am predicting a sell-off, and again, if you guys want to check out this 4-hour real quick, you'll see that, boom, we have had a hard time breaking this level here. I actually tried to play some shorts assuming that we're going to break this level, and they did not play out. They did not play out. I'll go over that in the Monday chart action later, posting later on today, so check that out later on, all right? But for that euro, I want to see that thing sell off. Now, if you're going to buy this euro up, well, you're looking to buy that euro up right now. This is a 61.8% retracement from this low to this high, and those are the best levels to be buying the market when it comes to Fibonacci's, okay? Now, could we see this market retrace up a little bit and then see it fall down? Yes, we could. And if that happens, well, as a swing trader, you could definitely get in that. That is a good position to get in on. If we could have caught this thing at these highs there, when it, maybe at this spike, or maybe if we could have put a limit in to sell there, if the market ever came up into that level, that would have been a great scenario. We would be 100 pips in profit at the moment. But to start to say, hey, I want to buy sell the market at this level it's at right now, this isn't the best position. This isn't the best position unless you're assuming a breakout, but we haven't gotten our breakout yet. Right? So you don't ever want to assume breakouts. You want to be reactionary with the market when doing breakouts, right? So the market has to break out for you to get in that level. All right, so that's the euro. I want to see that thing sell. We could see it push and hold this level and then fall. But other than that, it just may continue to ping all over the place. So we'll see what happens. For this Aussie USD, check that out. The breakout community has been waiting on this forever. The past 2 weeks on the Aussie have been ridiculous. A 500 pip move on the Aussie is crazy. We predicted the sell here, didn't happen. Sell here, and we finally got in on that sell. And the past 2 weeks on that Aussie has been very nice because we had the bias of a sell, and the thing's just been capitulating. And we're here. We're back down on the structure, right? So we can see this Aussie start to slow down a little bit around this, in between this 50% level and the 61.8% level, and that's what could happen. Now we could see a breakout down onto structure, but other than that, guys, I would like to see this market start to slow down a little bit. I don't have too much to say about this Aussie right now, besides maybe as a day trader I could play some breakouts, but swing trading wise, I'd like to see this thing start to slow down and maybe start to bring this thing back up into structure here at this, the low 75s. The low 75s, okay? So for this GBPUSD, I predicted last week, go check it out. I'll put it in the comment section. I said, hey, this thing could come up into these 50% level Fibonacci. I don't know why I keep saying 1500. 50% level Fibonacci, and we could fall, and we never got there. So right now we're resting back on the structure, and this market is starting to look a little bit consolidated, looking a little bit indecisive, and that could just mean that, hey, buyers may be piling in to start to push this thing back to the upside. But I think that we could still go in for a sell. And I would like to see this sell happen back down on the structure here at the high 42, low 43s, and then we could see this thing push to the upside. But as a swing trader, guys, the moves aren't as beautiful as they were last week, right? So, and again, if you're having a hard time reading your charts, well, that literally means don't trade, okay? You don't try to get positions and try to read charts. You want clear-cut, black or white scenarios. And if you're not getting that, if you're playing in the gray, well, the people that play in the gray always lose. Right, so don't ever do that. Either it's a buy or it's a sell, right? So you want to wait for that market price to play out, and then you'll start to say, okay, cool, this is a really good signal for me to do this or that, right? So for right now, I would like to see this thing pushed back down on the structure, down at these lows at this low 42s, and then we can start to see this thing pile back to the upside. Now, as a breakout day trader, there's a lot of positions, there's a lot of things that you can do. You can play a little bit in consolidation if you're skilled. You would want to go with the trend, obviously, but we'd have to see how this thing adds up with this euro overnight coming this Monday night, and we'll see what we can do. All right, guys.